Task 4, Variable and Naming Standards. Part 1. There's 2 PowerPoints to go through in a video. Down here, it says copy the code from T3 alerts Part 2 into T4 variables. And you can see it's got an old style video which will be updated with this one. We want to make use of variables in this program to store the data that we get from the prompt. So it says define a variable to hold the current year, 2022, and use it in the message you display below. Here's the message that we're going to display below. And they want you to take the information you got from the user, from the prompts, in the previous task and store the data in 3 appropriately named variables. So they should use the proper naming standard and have a sensible name. And we want to display one message that has multiple lines that says something about the task name, says hi, person's name. As of 2022, you are 16 years old, for example, and your pocket money is probably $30. Check that you've used the correct naming standards for your variables. And down here it says, does the variable that contains the current year change during the running of your program? So therefore, should it be defined as a variable or a constant? And should a constant's name be written in camel case or entirely in uppercase? And we've got some iterative development information here asking you to think about and write up something about variables versus constants. And if we have a go at running the program, does not come up with the correct. So there you go. I'm running T4 variables 2. It's the wrong one, so I'm going to get rid of that and change it to be the right one. Let's run it now. This time it comes up with the right module name. It says, hello, what's my name? Mr. Bob. Age, I'll be 15 and I've got no money. And it comes up, gives me the module name, says, hi, Mr. Bob, as of 2022, apparently I'm 15 years old and I have no money.